Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim. You can call me Ibra. I am originally from Malang City. I'm now studying at Brawijaya University, majoring hospitality management. My body is not very tall at 167 centimeters, with that height being relatively short compared to most of my friends. Apart from my body being a bit fat, I weigh around 70 kilograms. I like playing video games. I can play mobile game and PlayStation. The proof is that almost every day I play games on my cell phone. I play game because I want to get rid of boredom because I get bored easily.